Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 8th question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says, a man goes from town A to town B and returns to town A immediately. He follows the same route both ways and thus covers the same distance both ways. While going from town A to town B, he drives at an average speed of 40 km per hour, and while coming back from town B to town A, he drives at an average speed of 60 km per hour. Find his average speed for the entire journey. So we'll do this question in two ways. The first way, we'll directly apply the formula. You go from A to B at a speed of 40 km per hour and you come back from B to A at a speed of 60 km per hour. So we know that average speed of this journey then should be average speed, which is what we have to find. If you know the formula, then basically average speed is the harmonic mean of this 40 and 60. That will be equal to 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60. That much kilometer per hour. So that will be then equal to 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 100. So these two, 0 goes away, 0 goes away. 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 6 is 48. So average speed is 48 kilometer. Average speed comes out to be 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, that is the right answer here. But we'll also understand this question using the basic fundamental of average speed. Okay, so if you know the formula, you can apply it directly over here, because average speed is harmonic mean, and harmonic mean of 40 and 60 will be 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60, that is 48. Otherwise, average speed is basically total distance covered upon total time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance covered, just write total distance covered upon total time taken for the journey. So I'll just write total distance upon total time. So from A to B, you're going at 40 km per hour. From B to A, you're coming back at 60 km per hour. Let AB be d kilometers, which is the distance. Let that be d kilometers. So from here, my total distance is d plus d, which is equal to 2d kilometer, because you go from A to B and you come back from B to A. So total distance covered is 2d kilometer. Now time taken from A to B. So let me call it as TAB. That is time taken from A to B. Time is what? Distance upon speed. A to B distance is d. Speed is given to be 40. You go from A to B, speed is 40. And time from B to A, you come back from B to A, distance is again d. Speed is 60. So these many hours, this is an hour time. Okay, let me write HR, that is hour. Okay, so now my total time taken will be equal to time to go from A to B plus time to come back from B to A. And time to go from A to B is what? D by 40. So this is equal to D by 40 plus D by 60. That is time to come from B to A. So D by 40 plus D by 60, if I do, this will become, I'll write it as 60 into 40, and this is 60D plus 40D, which is 100D. Okay, I'm not taking the LCM because it is, the sum is 100, so it is easier to calculate then. So 100D upon 60 into 40. So these two 0 goes away, this 0 goes away. So this becomes D upon 6 into 4 is 24. So D upon 24 hours. This much is the total time. Now my average speed is total distance upon total time. Total distance is 2D. So my average speed AS, which is what we have to find. Total distance is 2D. Total time taken is D by 24. 2D upon D by 24. D cancels out. This becomes 2 into 24, which is equal to 42 kilometer per hour. Okay, and that is the answer. If you see, this is the same answer 48 we found earlier as well. Okay, so this is how you solve this question.